And just after I posted it, I got a lot of invitation like from recruiters. I'm Eugene from Ukraine. Currently, I have a really tough schedule because I have a full-time in the studio and I have a pretty loaded studying course. And currently, I'm working on character, like game-ready character. On a job, I work with characters. We create some NFT stuff and license that by Marvel, Disney, and stuff like that. I was participating in a stylized character program, and I was working on some character called Envy. And I finished the artwork here and decided to, well, okay, I need to post this work on ArtStation. And just after I posted it, I got a lot of invitation like from recruiters to be a studio artist or just a freelance job. So that was my first artwork, which gave me power to move on. Before taking the program, I felt pretty confident using ZBrush only. I known a lot of new techniques within ZBrush. I understood how to cover the pipeline, how to move my ZBrush model to like texture stage. I understood a lot of stylized stuff and some artistic, again, basics and fundamental. Yeah, I definitely became a better artist after the course. There was some squads system which worked just perfect, and I still communicate with some friends from my squad, and we support each other. We share some tools, some posts. So frequently we have some chats